Hey guys, and this is for my video about your window weather. And this is for my wallpaper. Oh yeah, the weather is fair. My my home. Your window weather. London like this. Oh yeah, about features of your window pane. You can hide this like from a forecast from this to this. Just swipe up like this to hidden the weather forecast. Only just clock and temperature. Also the landscape like this, where you can pick this anything like village, ocean, town, airport, seaside, pagoda, classic, station, valley, sky, Americana. Oh yeah, and this is my city. Oh yep, I can move. Look, the cities it can move. And when I tilt like this, when I rev to the right, the cities move while I move left, it's left. So yeah, when I get to this, it has a clock like cuckoo, cuckoo. Yep, and now I have a wallpaper here. Yes, it has a wallpaper animation. And by lock screen, it has there clouds and cities and also people. Yep, by settings, it has the sound like this. Yeah, the sound is like a rain. And parallax effect is an illusion of 3D space when you tilt the device. Water temperature, UV index, and rain chances. Oh yeah. Widgets. System D. Maybe like this. Last. Yep. Create widget. Add automatically. Done. Wait. Yep. I put there. Oh yeah. Just like this, and I will delete the thumb. And I would put clock. Or maybe we change to an original clock. Wait. No, not that. Yep. Yes. Airplane. So that the wallpaper. When I tap on folder, look, the wallpaper would change to original. So it's okay. And now look at the clouds. It's moving while it's getting cloudy by around 5 p.m. Cloudy while the moon is moving, and it vanished around 10:40. The clouds only remains while the background doesn't move at all. By rain. Oh yeah, it rains soundly. Oh no, the truck stops and eventually, and Oh yeah. The woman's laugh. Yep. And this is also the widgets. Like, and might be that the clouds are the background while the apps are there. So the clouds would be there. But it happened